Well, court is underway for a Colorado dentist accused of murdering his wife by putting cyanide in her protein shakes. Prosecutors say that James Craig killed his wife, Angie, by poisoning those shakes and making it look like she killed herself. He's pleaded not guilty. His attorneys argue that the police were biased against him and claim testing of the shake container shows no evidence of poison. Our Alex Stone is on the story for us. All right, so what kind of evidence do prosecutors say they have here?
Well, they say, Kira, that they've got all kinds of evidence, including search engine history of James Craig, that they say in the search engines he was looking for undetectable poisons and how to obtain them, how many grams of arsenic will kill a human, and is arsenic detectable in an autopsy. But the biggest piece of evidence that they've got is testimony from one of his workers at his dentist's office that he was getting a package, that he had told his staff not to open up that package. She said she did not get that message, opened it up, and there was cyanide in that package. He claimed that was going to be used in the dentist's office. Dentists say you would never use cyanide in a dentist's office and that there is no reason for it. Cyanide is what killed Angela Craig. That and an ingredient in over-the-counter eye drops. That was the murder weapon, according to prosecutors.
Well, how are defense attorneys arguing that James Craig is innocent?
Well, they say that police had a narrow view, that this was all tunnel vision, that they looked at him and they went after him. They admit he was not a perfect man, that he had been cheating with numerous different women over the 23 years that they were married, that was a well-known thing, that his wife knew that, but in the LDS church that they wanted to have a perfect image of a family that was together, and that this woman that he was allegedly having an affair with was no different than all of the other women, and that he wouldn't have killed his wife over this woman compared to the others. But they say that she may have killed herself, but that he didn't do it, and the police narrowed in on him.
Well, the ultimate victim here clearly is Angela Craig and the 6 children that she had with this man. What do we know about the family right now?
Well, we know that the children are in other care, but before the alleged murder, that they were trying to create the perfect image, according to both sides, that they were very active in the LDS church, that they felt like, especially she felt like, that they had to present an image of a family that was happy and that things were going well. Both sides admit, though, that they had financial troubles, not to an extent where they couldn't pay the mortgage and pay for nice vehicles, but that things were tight in the family and that the affairs were going on as well. One side claims that's why he murdered his wife. The other side claims no, that her life just wasn't good and that she killed herself or something else was involved. That is where it's up for debate. But both sides say that they were having trouble in their family life, in their church life, and in their marriage, and that led to what went on.
Alex Stone will follow the case. Thank you.